I like to sketch with pen. And you can use pencils if you want. You'll notice that I'm leaving out this peak in the back here. I just don't want to have kind of two twin peaks there on this. I think it's just more interesting with the one. I'm just kind of finding my way around this. There's more shadow over here. I'm still finding this foreground. I'm leaving the tree out that was in here. I don't need that tree that's showing in the photograph. So you can see that I'm kind of simplifying things to my liking. I'm going to change the shape of this over here. Now we've got this interesting shape here. I'm kind of just defining my mountain, playing with the shapes a little bit to make them as interesting as I can. Kind of coming in here and putting in some more definition in the rocks. I can accentuate different parts of this. But what I'm really looking for is separating the light and the dark, simplifying the composition. Here I've got a rock, and then I've got kind of this foothill area up here for this mountain that I'm gonna give a little more notice to back there.